Now, weather with meteorologist Matt Lanza.
Good evening, everybody. It turned a little bit milder out there today, certainly nicer than yesterday, to say the least, and we got some sunshine out, and we got temperatures up into the 70s, and that is just a precursor of what's coming tomorrow. Let's show you what's going on out there right now. 64 now at Oneida County Airport at Griffiths in Rome. The dew point number measuring how much moisture is in the air is up to 52, though. That means that there is a lot more moisture in the air tonight than there was last night. Last night, if you remember, this number was in the 30s. That's why it got so cold last night. It was so cool and dry. Well, tonight, we're going to be dealing with a much milder night. In fact, temperatures are going to start to rise later on tonight. Here's why. Let's take a look at the map of dew point temperatures across New York State. You can see back here across western New York, they're in the mid-50s. But just off this map, we've got dew point temperatures in the 60s. Once the dew point hits that 60-degree mark, that usually means it gets a little bit more uncomfortable. You really start to feel the humidity just a bit. All night long tonight, with our winds coming from the south and the southwest, we're going to be pumping in these higher dew point numbers, meaning we're going to be pumping in more humidity along with more warmth, and that is why tomorrow is going to be toasty out there. Let's talk about what's happening here. First off, over the northeast, really not much happening here. We're still watching some clouds back here to the north and the west. It may drift in here later on tonight and touch off a shower, but I think that's becoming increasingly less likely now. We're not seeing any signs of anything well organized up here to the north and west. But there is a pretty potent storm spinning just off the map here in the upper Midwest, bringing some severe weather out to that part of the country. What it's going to do is it's going to sweep a cold front across the Great Lakes tonight, eventually pushing it toward us tomorrow. That means tomorrow we're going to have to be on guard for some showers and thunderstorms. Let's break it all down for you. Rest of the night tonight, like we said, really not much to worry about. Tomorrow, probably waking up to a lot of sunshine. When you step outside, you'll probably be shocked as to how warm it is. It'll be in the 70s heading off to work and or school tomorrow morning. Into tomorrow afternoon we go now, and it's really going to heat up. Temperatures will soar through the 80s in the morning into perhaps the 90s by the afternoon. We're going to forecast an official high of 90, which is also the record for tomorrow. But showers and thunderstorms will start to flare up tomorrow afternoon on any wind boundary that exists coming off any hilltops, perhaps off the lakes themselves. We'll be keeping an eye on this because with so much heat and humidity around tomorrow, any storm that does develop could be locally strong. Then, cold front starts to approach here, indicated by this stripe of moisture across western New York. That'll plow through here overnight tomorrow, bringing another round of some showers and thunderstorms. That's going to clear right on out of here by the time we get to Saturday, and that will set the stage for a spectacular weekend. So quiet for the rest of the night tonight. We'll keep that bolt in just in case. Temperatures will start to rise toward morning, and then for tomorrow, hazy, hot, and very humid temperatures up into the 90s. Be careful outside tomorrow just because of the heat and humidity itself. That'll be uncomfortable, especially if you have any breathing ailments. It might get a little uncomfortable for you out there tomorrow. But then also be on guard for any of the showers and thunderstorms that develop. If any of them do go strong to severe, we'll obviously break in and keep you posted right here and on WKTV.com. Into Saturday and Sunday, like we said, sunshine galore, temperatures in the mid-70s. Just a great weekend, almost perfect. Monday and Tuesday looking great, too, if you want to extend the weekend a couple of days.
All right. Thank you, Matt.
Yeah.
Still ahead tonight, the stem cell